Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Motorola Moto G62 5G. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both. Then tap on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, click on Open. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose Allow or Don't Allow in Notifications pop-up, then select I accept, Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by tapping on OK. Now do exactly the same on Motorola. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Over here, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung and Receive at the bottom of Motorola device. Now you need to tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and then select Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it right now, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on Motorola, choose one of those options. Click on Close this window and finally we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, or just input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Either way, now after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!